Goodbye, good night.
The Green Knight is ready for battle! Ha ha ha! Gotcha! Done gotcha.
The Black Knight is invisible behind his smoke screen. Huzzah! I will catch thee, Blue Knight. Huh? Lost 'em. Dragon spotted!
It's my turn.
Gotta find a way to... get away! Hey!
Wow! Yay! Banners!
The Blue Knight still has his dragon. Gotcha! Hey, where's the dragon?
It's dragon!
Oh no! Where'd it go? Phew! It stopped atop that hill.
Person to capture the dragon is a noble knight.
I'm definitely going to be the noblest knight. Wait! No! The glory shall remain mine! Whoa! Runaway dragon!
Run away from the dragon!
Now's my chance to capture the dragon once and for all.
Me too!
Yeah!
No! It's my job!
Come back, dragon! The dragon's getting away!
Huh? Oh no! It's gonna hit those trains!
Not if the orange knight can help it.
Come on!
Lovely. Our passengers have never seen anything like this before.
Awesome!
We're almost to the seashore.
No more dark tunnels.
Nope, nothing but beautiful scenic countryside.
Huh? The bridge is up! And no electricity to bring it down.
What will we do? Kana, dear, can you do something?
Kana, are you able to connect to the bridge like you did to the tunnel?
Electric idea! Let's find out. I can plug in and power the bridge. No power, no problem.
Now that was electric, Kana. Let's roll. Kana, is something wrong?
The bridge is down, but now so is my battery. I'm out of power. It's okay. Go on to Vicar's Town. I'll be fine.
Grab on, Kana. Everything's connected, right? Now you're connected to me, and I'm going to Vigor's Town.
Way to go, Percy! On the left is the Vicarstown Lighthouse. It's dark right now, but when it's lit up, it's...
Spectacular.
Incredible!
Just beautiful. Thank you. We definitely got our scenic route as promised, Thomas.
Well, the electricity is all connected, but so are we.
We all did it together.
Yep.
I'm sure this tour will be the highlight of their visit. Oh, Annie, I made a pun. Oh, you did. Good one, Clary.
Hi there. I'm all charged up and ready to go. Come on. Why don't we all connect for the ride home? Hook me in. I'll lead the way. Electric. This is fun. What are we doing?
Chasing a butterfly.
Oh, I love butterflies. They're so delicate, but keep fluttering and pitting and flying.
I know. Right now, I'm looking for a Sodor skipper.
A Sodor skipper? I thought we were looking for butterflies.
We are. A Sodor skipper is a really big purple butterfly.
Purple? Like me? Electric.
Not here. Over there. It's amazing.
Wow, they get scared easily.
Maybe they're just not ready for someone as fast as you.
Good point. I won't go fast. That one over there is purple!
It is a Sodor skipper. Well, it was.
Maybe she heard you coming?
I might have been too loud. Okay, so we need to be slow.
And quiet. Look over there!
Where? Slowly, slowly, getting closer, closer. So beautiful.
So perfectly purple.
Look out! I guess no matter how slow or how quiet we are, we're always going to scare away the Sodor skippers.
But it sure was fun looking.
There's one in your head.
Electric.
There's rocks.